Hey, Mac Tools Nation, BD Tool customers, check this out. You asked, we answered. We have Flexi Topper double box wrenches. These are the Mac Tools lifetime warranty, and we have them both in metric and standard. Metric, these go in 20 to 24. These are incredible. So you've been wanting them, now we have them. And in standard, we have 15/16 to 1 1/4. Look at that, that is awesome. So right off, you asked, we answered. We have our regular sets 8 to 19. We have our metric set, which I believe is 5/8 to 3/4 or 7/8, excuse me. And now we have the topper sets. So you check them out, my truck, check them out on your distributor's truck if you are not on the BD Tools route. So check them on out. Thank you.